Hello, my name is Ella.
And my name is Peter.
And we are the Gypsy Muse vocal guitar duo.
The International Festival of Peace inspired us to write the song Peace Will Find a Way. We are very grateful to have the opportunity to present it to Dolce Soleil Music. It represents the festival.
We are both peace advocates and are very much against bullying, racism, political tyranny, human rights injustice, media suppression, and all that undermines peacemaking.
The lyrics of the song present an attitude of acceptance and unity that spans cultures, races, and natural beauties of the world, no matter what past mistakes have been made.
We truly hope that our musical video will inspire transformation in all of us. So hope you're gonna enjoy our message of peace, and please share. Thank you.
Find your peace with your brother. We must help one another. Bring back peace to our mother. See yourself in their eyes. Find your peace, sister, brother. We must help one another. Bring back peace to our mother. See yourself in their eyes. Let me tell you a story of the journey to glory, when our love and respect make us all become one. There's no losers, no winners. There's no saints and no sinners. Don't make war with your neighbor. That's our message of love. Find your peace with your brother. We must help one another. Bring back peace to Earth Mother. See yourself in their eyes. Find your peace, sister, brother. We must help one another. Bring back peace to Earth Mother. See yourself in their eyes. Look at trees, skies, and oceans, and then lights and devotions. Blow the souls like the waves of the eternal seas. Share the dance of life together. We're all birds of the same feathers. Different fruits from the gardens of the field of our wall. Find your peace with your brother. We must help one another. Bring back peace to Earth Mother. See yourself in their eyes. Find your peace, sister, brother. We must help one another. Bring back peace to Earth Mother. See yourself in their eyes. Hold your hands up high. Peace comes when you try. Hold your hands up high. Peace comes when you
I've worked in construction for 40 years. I am, and always will be, Lee Una.
Construction is one of the most stable industries in today's economy. There's plenty of opportunity, so come and learn at the LiUNA Local 183 Training Center. It's the right place to start. If you're thinking about your future, you can learn a skilled trade through hands-on training and classroom training. LiUNA Local 183 Training Center is excellence in training. All apprenticeship programs are registered with the Ontario Ministry of Training Colleges and Universities. Become an apprentice and learn new skills which will open the doors to a rewarding career. Visit 183training.com.
I am an artist. I just started my training, and I am LiUNA.